Today, we're zooming in on Ryan Trahan. At just 25, Ryan Trahan boasts a staggering 2.7 billion views, 14.6 million subscribers, captivating audiences with content that racks up over 100 million views each month. But ever wondered how Ryan Trahan turns views into dollars? From YouTube ad revenue to brand sponsorships, let's see how much he makes per month, how he was able to do that so quickly. Ryan Trahan's YouTube empire is absolutely slaying, raking in a massive $700,000 to $1 million every month just from ad revenue. Now, let's break it down. With around 100 million views hitting his channel monthly, and knowing that YouTubers in the entertainment game typically score between $6 to $12 per thousand views, it's a no-brainer that Ryan's ad earnings are through the roof. But the real game changer? Sponsorships. Here's where it gets spicy. The average going rate for YouTubers like Ryan is about 10 cents per view on sponsored content. So, we're not saying Ryan's pocketing exactly this rate, but play along with the math. If we ride the wave of industry averages, Ryan's potentially banking an additional whopping $10 million every month from sponsorships alone. In the grand digital hustle, Ryan isn't just cashing in, he's setting the bar sky high, proving that with the right strategy and killer content, the sponsorship game can seriously pad those earnings. Now, let's see how we got here. Ryan's journey to YouTube stardom wasn't always a straight path. He transitioned from a budding college athlete to a YouTube sensation, gaining traction in 2018 with content that started pulling millions of views. Yet by the end of 2020, Ryan faced a critical juncture. His subscriber growth had hit a wall, and for a moment, it seemed like he was spiraling into the all-too-familiar YouTube abyss where channels peak and then rapidly decline. November and December of 2020 were tough. Ryan was actually losing subscribers, a red flag for any content creator. Videos struggled to surpass the 500K mark, signaling a potential end to the meteoric rise he had enjoyed. It was a wake-up call, prompting a strategic pivot that would either make or break his YouTube career. Then came the turnaround. Fast forward a year, and the narrative had flipped entirely. Ryan didn't just recover, he exploded onto the YouTube scene with a vengeance, 10xing his average views per video and more than doubling his subscriber count. An additional 3 million subscribers in 1 year. For Ryan, it was a reality, not just a distant dream. But how did he engineer such a remarkable comeback? The secret to Ryan's remarkable comeback and explosive growth lies in his strategic pivot and innovative approach to content creation. He uncovered a 3-step formula that changed the game. Focusing on high-potential ideas, perfecting a retention strategy that hooks viewers from start to finish, and mastering the art of compelling clickbait that delivers on its promises. Step 1. High-potential ideas. Ryan's breakthrough came when he shifted his focus to creating what he calls growth videos. Unlike the maintenance videos that catered primarily to his existing fan base, growth videos were designed to draw in a wider audience. These weren't just any videos. They were carefully crafted to have broad appeal, featuring unique challenges, intriguing premises, and subjects that piqued the curiosity of new viewers. This strategic shift from personal vlogs to content with universal appeal was the first key to unlocking exponential growth. Step 2. Genius retention strategy. But having a great idea isn't enough on YouTube. Ryan combined his compelling content with a retention strategy that kept viewers glued to their screens. He took inspiration from YouTube giants like MrBeast for their fast-paced editing and Emma Chamberlain for her personal, relatable style, creating a hybrid that was both engaging and uniquely his own. Ryan's videos were filled with quick cuts, humor, and personal anecdotes that made viewers feel connected to him on a personal level, all while ensuring the content moved quickly enough to keep them engaged till the very end. Step 3. Mastering clickbait. The term clickbait often carries a negative connotation, but Ryan showed that when done right, it's a powerful tool. His thumbnails and titles were crafted to intrigue and attract clicks without misleading the viewer. Each video delivered on the promise made in the thumbnail and title, ensuring viewers came away satisfied, reinforcing trust in his brand. This approach not only increased his videos' click-through rates, but also cemented his reputation as a creator who delivers quality content time and time again. Ryan Trahan's journey from near obscurity to becoming one of YouTube's fastest-growing channels is a blueprint for content creators everywhere. It's a reminder that with the right strategy, a deep understanding of your audience, and a willingness to evolve, achieving YouTube success is within reach. If you're inspired by Ryan's journey and want to learn more about making it big on YouTube, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Share your thoughts in the comments below and let us know whose YouTube strategy you'd like us to uncover next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video where we decode the secrets behind the success of your favorite creators.